Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing this really cute new set, which is the mushroom and flower embroidery set. So I was really lucky to find this set on eBay from a UK seller, and it was only £35 because luckily no one else bid for it, it was only me. So that was really lucky because I thought £35 was a good price for this set as it is quite hard to find. And I love it so much. So it comes with the Fennec Fox brother, and I think this is the only set that has him in, so I really wanted to add him to my collection. I believe his name is Benjamin. And then we've also got Millie Maple again here, and look how cute is the hood that she comes with. I love that so much, and I really love the packaging. Flowers and mushrooms. I think it's very cottagecore. They're just so pretty, and I really love the embroidery on their outfits. So this is similar to the set with the Persian cat, which I do actually have just behind here. So here we have the Persian cat sisters, Sky and Lyra, and they have flowers and strawberries embroidered onto their dresses. So pretty. And now we have Millie and Benjamin with flowers and mushrooms. So here you can see the Fennec Fox family. So I've got the parents, the twin babies, the tiny little twin babies, the baby and the daughter. And now finally we've got the brother as well. And I really love the bright colours used in their outfits. Like, it's a really nice bright red on his shirt and a lovely bright yellow hood. So it's a bit of a change from some of the pastel sets that we've had recently. These are more kind of brighter colours, and also the outfits are more kind of natural with his brown dungarees and her lovely like forest green skirt. So now let's open them. I'm so excited. So here they are. They have like a forest background of trees and a tree stump with mushrooms. So here is Millie's hood. I love that. It's like a fairy tale, like Little Red Riding Hood, but instead it's Little Yellow Riding Hood. With a lovely red bow at the front. So here is Millie Maple. Little bow on the back. I really love her dress, it's very pretty. And a really nice dark green colour. And then this has just got Velcro at the back. Put her head in there. Oh. And then back up at the back. How lovely is that? Oh, she's so sweet. Just be a little bit lower down. Oh, I love that. And the yellow looks nice with the green as well. And then we have Benjamin Fennec. And I love mushrooms, so I really love the design at the front of his dungarees. I love him. I'm glad that there still is a brother figure in this family, as there wasn't until now. And I love that the colours of the mushroom are in the colours of his shirt. Definitely getting Little Red Riding Hood vibes from these two. Oh, I love them. Like, he looks like he'd be like a lumberjack. And then she's a little girl walking through the woods. They definitely look good with my Misty Forest treehouse and the waterfall in that area, because I've got little mushrooms in that area as well next to the stream, so they definitely look really nice with that. And Benjamin is now reunited with his family, and what I just realised is his tail is like super bushy compared to his sisters. So cute. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!